Hi everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Uh, Last many videos I have uploaded in my SAP Crack channel, and please see and enjoy. Now I am going with the general account. How to create a GL account with the income and expenses, and with the cost element, and where the accounting number, which account group number is determining. So what is the GL account number, how to configure, where you configured, just we can see here. Now I'm going with the FS00. So these are the accounting groups I have for a demonstration. I have put it here. So it is depends upon you how you are going to make it as per your client's requirement. So it may be different than the demonstration. Now I'm going with the income and expenses GL account. So I'll take it like income account. So now I'm going with the, see, it is already, one is a domestic trade, it is already, and we need to create one more for. Let us go with the create here. So that is a 41000001. So let us go ahead with the next number. It is create copy, and now I'm going with create here. Just for now it is already created it fifth. I'll take it a fifth 5. Just go ahead, and now I'll select the operating. So what is the difference between N and P? N is a non-operating expenses, P is a primary cost. Non-operating expenses are not in a prime income. It means core income. That's, for example, it is a scrap, or if it is any asset or scrap, that is also treated as a non-operating. If your company is treated as income, that will be depends upon the matter, right? And primary cost element, it is a core, which is actually they have got a revenue from the sale product, which is got generating a revenue, that is a prime here. So I need to go with the primary cost element. And this is the account group which I have in the income. So income, and this is where we are assigning this number ranges. Go to OBD4. So OBD4 T code is for group accounting, account group. Here it is, I have made it for my demonstration. I have made for gender, because if I don't want too many numbers in me. But in the actual scenario, you need to be maintain all your, see, this is my income expenses or income statement accounts. So this is the number from where and this is the two where you are creating the number range. So this accounting group, when you selected accounting group, it will automatically ask you, so put my accounting number range, it will be like this. Otherwise it will not accept, it will give you a error. As per the client requirement, you need to be assigned the number range, then only it will be looks like your balance sheet and the P&L will be good. So now I'm going with the GL account here. So I'll create a one GL like domestic. It is, I'll take it export sale, or export sale, put it export sale. And here I have, this is my for demonstration, I'll make it mandatory here. So I'll put it, but it doesn't matter if your requirement is not needed, then you can. Why do you make a account group here? Is suppose if you have a similar group of accounts which you want to make it a one group, then you have to do it in the accounting group accounting group number. It will help you to consolidate the group numbers. Hit enter here. So now I'm going with the control data. Control data is an INR. So you want, if you want, your requirement is balance in local currency, you can put it here. Otherwise, if you don't require, then you do. But I'll take it in a local currency. This is what is the tax category. Tax category is now GST is after GST implementation. It's a mandatory. And after the earlier also it is there for VAT. and now it is an GST. This is an if it is an input and output, and what is an both, then we have to go with the both here. So this is a post without a tax allowed, even though if you don't have a tax to be applied for this particular GL account, if you only put it a star and this will be blank, it means you didn't tick mark. Then when you don't want to put this GL account tax code in the GL account while posting, that it will not allow you. But if I want to allow, even though I have not put in the tax code, then also you tick mark here, hit enter. All tax type also allowed here, or if you want you can put it a minus here. So it is an only input tax, so that is my output tax is will be plus. Only output tax will be allowed you, but input tax code will not allow you. So if I want to both tax code here, so just hit enter, so it will be all tax type. So that is depends upon your requirement. Here it's a cost element category. Cost element category is an 01. This is an primary revenue for my company. So this is what exactly. And now I'm going with the create bank interest tab. So here it is a field status group, where when you are what is the purpose of this one, when you are creating a posting a document, that time there is a layout for you which is required, which is suppressed, and which is optional, that you have to maintain here. That is called a field status group here. So my status group is an YB4 I'm going to use because of it's at a cost of accounts, so I'll put it here. Now I'm going to save here. Okay, now it is at a post automatically only. This is if you don't want to automatically. It means when you are making any automatic posting, that time it will be allow you, but manually it cannot be if you tick mark here. Otherwise, it will go to both. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe, like it, and press the bell button for your alert. So next video is coming very soon. Just watch and enjoy. Thank you so much.